Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide Threads badge on Instagram. So if you open your Threads right here, this is what it looks like. And if you open your Instagram and you want to hide this, like you don't want anyone to see that you are using your Threads or you have Threads account. So how are you going to remove or hide this Threads badge on Instagram? So first you have to open your Instagram. Way back then, when you want or if you want to hide your badge or Threads badge here on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap that one and you will see an option that you can hide this badge right here. But unfortunately, if you tap this now, then it will take you directly to your Threads account. Or if someone tap this, it will take them directly to your Threads account. So the question is, how are you going to hide this? Because there is no option that says hide unlike before. So the best thing to do here is you need to click this three lines at the top right corner. And then you have to look for settings and privacy. Next thing to do here is you have to scroll down and then you have to look for report a problem. So there is no option that we can hide this Threads badge on your Instagram. So the best thing to do is to report them that you want to hide this and you don't want this to be visible on your Instagram account. So go to help, tap report a problem, and then click report problem without shaking. And then after that, you need to tap this include and continue. And then here you can be very specific with your concern. You can copy this one, you can create your own. For example, please help me to remove the threads or badge on Instagram. Can you please remove it? You can see this uploaded screenshot. You can import, you can attach the photo right here to see that you have this badge or thread badge on your Instagram and you want to remove or hide it. So tap send and wait for them to respond to your concern. So if you want to suggest a topic or if you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.